While your body struggles to maintain steady daily energy and stamina, a hidden vascular barrier inside your mouth could be slowing down your entire circulatory system, especially if you are over 40. This simple 5-minute trick bypasses harsh stomach acids entirely, absorbing active gingerols directly into your bloodstream to clear arterial stiffness and surge oxygenated blood through your entire body in minutes. But how exactly does this sublingual trick work so fast? And what is the one fatal preparation error that completely destroys its potency? Ginger contains dense concentrations of gingerols and shogalls, potent organic compounds proven to relax vascular smooth muscle. When you swallow ginger, these delicate active compounds travel down into your stomach, where aggressive digestive acids break down a massive percentage of their potency. However, placing a thin slice directly under your tongue unlocks sublingual absorption. The tissue beneath your tongue is packed with dense capillary networks that absorb gingerols directly into your bloodstream. Once in the blood, these compounds trigger the immediate release of nitric oxide, widening arterial walls and reducing vascular resistance almost instantly without any digestive loss. Getting immediate vascular results from ginger requires precise preparation so you don't burn your tissue or ruin its potency. Take a raw, fresh ginger root. Never ground dried powder or store-bought ginger paste, as these lack the volatile oils necessary for rapid absorption. Wash and peel a small section of the root. Using a sharp knife, carve out one paper-thin slice, about the size of a thumbnail. Thinness is crucial because a thick piece releases gingerols too aggressively, causing an intense burning sensation rather than a smooth, sublingual delivery. Leave it there for exactly 5 minutes without chewing or swallowing. You will feel a mild, warm, tingling sensation. This is the active gingerols entering your sublingual capillaries. After 5 minutes, you can spit out or gently chew and swallow the slice. There are 2 critical mistakes that completely ruins this routine and can irritate your delicate oral tissue. Never use thick, chunky slices of ginger. Thick pieces cannot conform to the bottom of your mouth, preventing the essential contact needed for sublingual absorption. You must cut a paper-thin, semi-translucent slice so it lays flat against your sublingual tissue. Never use dried ginger powder or stored ginger paste from a jar. Commercial ginger paste contain water, salt, and chemical preservatives that ruin mucosal absorption, while dried powder lacks the volatile, raw gingerol oils needed for instant vasodilation. Always use fresh, raw ginger root. During minute 1 and minute 2, the natural heat of your mouth warms the thin ginger slice, drawing out active gingerols. The sublingual capillaries begin absorbing these volatile compounds directly into your systemic circulation. Between minute 3 and minute 5, the absorbed gingerols trigger rapid vascular smooth muscle relaxation. Microvessels throughout your body expand by up to 20%, reducing baseline vascular resistance without increasing your heart rate. Over the next 12 hours, these active compounds remain in your system. They fight systemic vascular inflammation, prevent sudden afternoon energy slumps, and maintain smooth, flexible arterial movement throughout your day. Optimizing your circulation does not require complex routines, just smart, natural habits that work directly with your body's biology. If you enjoyed this practical health tip, hit the like button right now and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point health strategies for men over 40. I want to hear from you down in the comments. How do you usually support your circulation, and have you ever tried using sublingual ginger before? Drop your age and your answer in the comments below so we can see who is taking action today. Don't keep this simple secret to yourself. Share this video with another man over 40 who is ready to reclaim his physical edge. If you want to discover more simple kitchen tricks to supercharge your circulation and protect your vitality, head over to the channel right now. We have dozens of powerful breakdowns waiting for you.